got my holes and he got inside. Drinking beer in my house. He didn't realize if he tried to leave, he'd have to die. I stopped my holes and he got inside. Drinking beer in my house. He didn't realize if he tried to leave, he'd have to die. Hiker stopped me for a ride. I stopped my holes and he got inside. Drinking beer in my house. He didn't realize if he tried to leave, he'd have to die. factory. What would you bet Jeffrey guzzled down meat? Eating a bunch of the fellas he'd meet. If Jeff was a cat and men were the rats, what do you think will come of that? I don't like the look of it. Oompa loompa doopa dee da. Jeffrey loved eating men from gay bars, and he lived in happiness too, like the Oompa Loompa Doopa Dee Doo. Doopa Dee Doo. Oompa Loompa Doopa Dee Doo. Jeffrey's stirring up some chocolate for you. Oompa Loompa Doopa Dee Dee. He worked at the Ambrosia Chocolate Factory. What would you bet Jeffrey guzzled down meat? Eating a bunch of the fellas he'd meet. If Jeff was a cat and men were the rats, what do you think will come of that? I don't like the look of it. Oompa Loompa Doopa Dee Da. Jeffrey loved eating men from gay bars, and he lived in happiness too, like the Oompa Loompa Doopa Dee Doo. Doopa Dee Doo.
The guy Psycho is based on. The guy Silence of the Lamb is based on. Also Texas Chainsaw Massacre is based on this guy. It's called Ed Gein.
Can you hear that in the front? Can't hear the bass in the front?
Not really.
You got the bass in the front there going through the PA?
Zodiac.
Delay.
Zodiac. Zodiac. Zodiac.
Delay.
Zodiac. 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 Zodiac.
Forgiveness,